I hope you have completed the third step. So third step is like this. So opposite of yellow is white. White is completed with the first layer, and the center piece is matching the first layer, that is the bottom layer. So this is called as the first layer to complete, but it will be the bottommost layer when the yellow center is on the top. So I have completed the first layer, and you should also ensure that the centerpiece is matching with these colors. Okay, all the centerpiece are matching with these colors. Now we have to solve the second layer, this layer. But the thing is, the center pieces are solved. Only the edge pieces, the corner pieces are to be solved. Okay, so when I see it like this, these are the edge pieces. But when I see it as this part, it will be the corner piece. Okay, these are the corner pieces. When I see it from the top, these are the corner pieces of this layer. Okay, so I have to solve these, only the corners. Okay, so how do I start that? Now again, make sure that the yellow centerpiece is on top. Okay, it is facing the top, and opposite to that, white is at the bottom. Okay, so that is how I have placed the cube. Now you should concentrate only on the edge pieces. So previously in step 3 we concentrated on the corner pieces. Now we have to concentrate on the edge pieces and make sure that yellow is not there in the edge piece. So this is not having the yellow, this is having the yellow, so ignore this piece. This is not having the yellow, this is not having the yellow. So we have 3 such pieces. You can choose any of these 3 pieces. Now I am going to choose this piece. You have to match this color with the centerpiece. Okay, this color with the centerpiece, and also see what color is on the top and see which side is the blue. So blue is this side, blue is not this side. So you have to move this part away from the blue. Okay, you have to move this part away from the blue and move this layer up. Okay, because the blue is here, just move this part up. Then again get this back to its position, so wherever it was, and now you have to get back to this position so that you will have a pair that is formed. Okay, you will have the pair that is formed. Now when you see the white is here, white again should go back to its place. So what do? We are going to move it away and get the white here and go back to the white color. This doesn't need any algorithm. Okay, so one part is completed. One part of the second layer is completed. So here and here. Okay, now again see which of the edge pieces are not having the yellow color. This is having the yellow color, that's ruled out. This is not having yellow. This is also having the yellow color. This is not having the yellow. You can choose any of the pieces. Now let me choose this color. I'm going to take red. Okay, so red with red, I'm matching red with red. Now I have to see what color is here and see whether the red is on the whether the green is on the right or left. So it is on the right again. So now what you have to do is move it away from the green and turn the green side once and get this back to the same position, and again get this layer back to the position, same position. Now there will be a pair that is formed, and to this pair there will be a white color. So see that white color is back to its position. So move this away and again get it back to its position. Now again the next corner piece is solved. Okay, now we have this and this piece to be solved. We have one corner left. Now if you have something like this, there is a orange this side and a green this side. So what is that you have to do is, again you have to see what colors are there in the edge pieces. Okay, you have to choose either of the colors. If you have green, you have to go with green. If you have orange, you have to go with orange. So now I see that I have a green color. So what I do is so green is obviously opposite to the green that is there. Okay, always keep the yellow on top. Now rotate the green portion and get this back to the position. Again, get this back so that there will be a pair that is formed. Now you have a white and get it back to the white's position. Okay, white is back to its position. Now again there is a change of color. It is with a combination of green and yellow. Now what you do is, see that you will get one piece like this. Okay, you have one orange and one green piece. So now get this orange piece to the orange face and see where the green is. Green is onto the left, so move it away from the left side and rotate the left once and get this back to the position, and again move this back to its position. You will get a pair that is formed with the white. So white, you have to take it back to the white color that is at the base. And now when you do this, your cube gets solved for the second layer. See, the second layer of the cube is also solved with white. See you all in part 7.